In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do project portfolio management in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a team or multiple projects, using Monday.com can significantly streamline your workflow and make your project management tasks a breeze. Let's dive in and walk through the steps needed to set up your project portfolio in just 5 minutes. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. This is the starting point where all the magic happens. Once you're on the website, you're going to want to log into your account. If you haven't already signed in, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. After clicking on Login, you'll be prompted to choose a sign-in method. To make things easy, click on the Google option and select your corresponding Google account to access Monday.com. This seamless integration with Google makes the login process both quick and secure. Once you've successfully logged in and are on the Monday.com dashboard, direct your attention to the left panel. Here you'll find a plus icon. Clicking on this icon will begin the process of creating a new board, which will be the foundation of your project portfolio management system. With the new board creation underway, the next step is to visit the Template Center. This is an incredibly useful feature that Monday.com offers, providing you with a range of pre-designed templates to choose from. It's located within the same panel, so go ahead and click on it. Inside the Template Center, look for the Project Management tab under the General Templates section. This is where the real fun begins, as it offers a host of powerful templates tailored specifically for managing projects. Click on this tab to browse your options. At this stage, it's time to make a decision. Choose the type of project management board template that best suits your needs, whether it's a template for managing timelines, resources, or a complete project portfolio. There's sure to be something that fits your criteria. Take your time in selecting the one that aligns perfectly with what you envision for your projects. Once you've found the ideal template, the last step is perhaps the simplest. Click on Use Template to apply your chosen template to your newly created board. This action will populate the board with all the essential elements included in the template, instantly setting you up for effective project management. And there you have it. With your project portfolio set up in Monday.com, you can now start organizing, tracking, and managing your projects all in one place. This setup not only saves you time, but also enhances productivity and ensures your team stays aligned with project goals. Happy managing, and remember, with Monday.com, project management doesn't have to be overwhelming.